Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best puberty book is probably one of the most important resources a young girl can have as she enters a new phase of life. This book offers a comprehensive guide to the physical and emotional changes of puberty, providing clear, age-appropriate explanations and helpful advice. It's designed to empower girls with knowledge, helping them navigate this transformative period with confidence and understanding. Number 5. Hapinest DIY Journal Set for Girls. This journaling kit includes everything needed. It comes with a journal, frames, stickers, and scrapbook pages. This allows young girls to explore their creativity. Perfect for ages 8 to 14, this kit fosters creativity and self-expression. They can create unique scrapbook pages with the included accessories. It's a great gift. Surprise your child with this journal. It's an ideal birthday gift or a creative outlet. This enhances journaling and scrapbooking skills. Every kit includes 63 pieces, like a tassel charm. This ensures they can fully enjoy creating and personalizing their scrapbook and diary. They won't miss any parts. The journaling kit is packaged securely and attractively. This ensures a delightful unboxing experience. It's a perfect gift idea for teenagers and girls. What we like. This DIY journal set comes with everything your child needs to start creating right away. It's perfect for girls who love to express themselves creatively through art and writing. If your daughter enjoys arts and crafts and wants a fun, personalized way to document her thoughts and memories, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. It's really cute and has been an engaging activity that she's gone back to over time. Nice design. Things to decorate pages is good. She loved it so much she wants another one for people who love to write down their memories whether good or bad. Number 4. American Girl, the body book for younger girls. This book is all about you and your amazing body. It's designed to help you understand the changes happening and how to take care of yourself. As you grow, your body goes through many changes. This book explains what to expect and how to handle them with confidence. Learn about healthy habits, from eating well to getting enough sleep. It provides tips on how to stay healthy and happy. It also covers your feelings and emotions. It helps you understand what you're feeling and how to deal with them. This book is a friendly guide for younger girls. It's a great resource for navigating the changes of growing up. What we like. This book offers a comprehensive guide to the physical and emotional changes of puberty. It's a trusted resource from American Girl, known for its quality and relatable content. If you're looking for a reliable and informative guide to help your daughter navigate the changes of puberty, this is an excellent choice. What people say. There is a ton of great education and the book approaches everything from the head down. It is still informative, it contained information that I didn't know, or didn't remember, and it is still appropriate for younger girls. She has found it very informative and reassuring and given her confidence to ask more focused and specific questions. Number 3. Celebrate You, the ultimate puberty book for girls. This book is all about celebrating you and your body. It's designed to help girls understand the changes they're going through during puberty. It's a guide to help navigate this exciting time. Puberty can bring a lot of changes, and this book explains them all. It covers everything from physical changes to emotional ones. It helps you understand what's happening to your body. This book is specifically written for girls aged 8 to 12. The content is tailored to this age group. It provides age-appropriate information and advice. It's important to embrace the changes that come with puberty. This book encourages you to feel confident and positive. It helps you navigate this journey with confidence. Consider this your ultimate guide to puberty. It's packed with information, tips, and advice. It's a resource you can turn to whenever you have questions. What we like. This book focuses on celebrating the body and its changes in a positive and encouraging way. It's designed to help girls feel good about themselves during puberty. If your daughter needs a confidence boost and wants to learn about puberty in a supportive environment, this book is ideal. What people say. It's as informative as it needs to be for total understanding of what's happening in puberty, written in an open-minded and progressive way, without being too advanced. It covers many questions that we as females may have at that age. She acknowledges many colors and body types and provides just the right amount of detail for a preteen reader. Number 2. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. It's all you need to start baking amazing treats. From cookies to savory breads, it has something for everyone. You'll learn how to make both sweet and savory dishes. Get ready to impress your friends and family. This book isn't just about baking, it's about sharing the joy of food. You can bake these recipes, share them with loved ones, and of course, enjoy eating them. It's a fun experience for everyone. With over 100 recipes, you'll never run out of ideas. It provides a wide variety of options, so you can always find something new to try. Get ready for endless baking adventures. Grab your apron and get ready to bake. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats. It's time to start your baking journey. What we like. This book is packed with over 100 recipes for young chefs to bake, share, and eat. It's a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen and learn new skills. If your child loves to bake or wants to explore the world of cooking, this book is a fantastic option. What people say. This book teaches you techniques, not just recipes. It teaches you the how-to and the why. Easy recipes, step-by-step instructions, and kid-friendly photos. Reading and explanations are not over her head. Good variety, and she's used it several times already. Number 1. Growing Up Great, the Ultimate Puberty Book for Boys. Are you a boy on the cusp of becoming a man? This book is your guide to navigating the changes ahead. It offers straightforward advice and support for this exciting journey. Puberty is a time of significant physical and emotional changes. This book breaks down what to expect, from body changes to mood swings. It helps you understand what's happening to you. Learn about the physical transformations your body will go through. It covers everything from voice changes to muscle growth. This book provides clear explanations. Puberty can bring a roller coaster of emotions. This book offers tips on managing feelings and building self-esteem. It helps you navigate the emotional ups and downs. Discover the importance of healthy habits during puberty. It covers topics like nutrition, exercise, and hygiene. This book empowers you to take care of yourself. Get answers to common questions about puberty. This book provides reliable information and guidance. It's a resource you can trust. What we like. This book provides a comprehensive guide to puberty specifically for boys. It covers all the important topics in an informative and helpful way. If you're looking for a reliable resource to help your son understand the changes he's going through, this book is a great choice. What people say. Very helpful book to help preteen boys get a better understanding of all the changes that are happening or will be happening during puberty. It's a quick, easy, age-appropriate read. I think the book is also helpful for preteens who may want to refer back to a specific topic when needed. With its comprehensive coverage of puberty-related topics, practical advice, and empowering tone, this book equips boys with the knowledge and confidence they need to navigate this transformative stage of life. Informative book and easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.